2004 Chevy Avalanche 1500 5.3 liter V8. We got done on it for you guys. So got stock converters there and there. Then it wires into a single right there. Then 2.5 inch all the way back. And we put a Flow FX by FLOWMASTer. And then a turn down right there. You don't want to see it. Nice and tucked, clean. You don't see anything when it's on under the car. When the truck is on the ground. There it is. FLOWMASTer FX. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. You like it? Nice and deep. Sound decibel, go ahead. And it'll get a little bit louder once it gets compact in about 30 days. Again. Let you guys hear on the inside.